Alright, gonna save you some money. You got your lawnmower, you got your tires, bead broke off, tires are gone, waiting on tires now. Your old valve stems are no good, so you order this kit. It comes with everything you need. It's 10 bucks. All you gotta do is wet wipe this, get that clean to where there's no debris that's gonna keep this from sealing. Alright, set that down. This is gonna save you money because if you go to get new stems, they're gonna charge you ridiculous. I got all these for 10 bucks. You lube that up, place it into the hole, take the cover off, the cap, take your tool, thread it on, get it all the way down on the threads. It's all the way on there, just like that. Set your rim down, and you pull. Listen. Unthread it. You heard that pop, that means you got it in there. You just saved yourself money. Now you take your valve core tool, back this off, alright, and then tighten it what you need. Take your valve cap if you like those, put them on. That rim's ready for a tire. You just saved probably $8 bucks.